All right, so it has been 2 years since we got Millie, and she was about this big. And then I built her the farmhouse build, and I just wanted to do a little recap video of it. It's man, it has held up great. So little shutters, little stick-on shutters, but it's got the tin roof all the way around. This is old reclaimed tin. This is a 80-gallon aquarium that I basically disassembled, took the front glass completely out, and then by piecing together and gluing, you can see the seam there and the seam there, multiple pieces of glass, I was able to create a sliding front made of glass with a wood frame that's painted to match. So that works great, and it has not failed at all since I've had it. You can see Millie in there. She just ate a few mealworms. Her live plants, she kind of demolished those pretty early on, the air plants and such, so we don't really put them in there anymore. But she's got her little cubbies that she hides in here, and back over here in this corner. That's where she digs in. Of course, the background's all, colored and painted to be native to where she's from, in Australia. That central Red Rock area. It's bioactive. It's been bioactive. I haven't had to clean it other than spot cleaning in the last 2 years. But when I move this, you'll see isopods running around. You can see some down in there, and occasionally I'll throw some new ones in to kind of refreshen them, but they're in there. I turn this, I can shine a flashlight in here at night and they're all over the place. Move some of the leaves, and you can see some of the critters running around. There's a couple of dubias loose that get out of the bowl. And this water, that's just leaves, tinted from leaves. I refresh that pretty often. So yeah, of course I built a matching table, a little farmhouse style table for this to sit on. It's really sturdy. And inside of the top, you can see she's got her spotlights and her UVB light. There's also exhaust fan that pumps air in and out. There's one on that end that pulls air in, and one over here that pulls it out. So she's got constant air circulation. Don't you, girl? And it is a little small for a bearded dragon this size, but she also has an outdoor enclosure that she's about to get stuck in because it's nice and sunny and warm today. So she's outside during the day mostly, in her outdoor enclosure, and then on cold days or rainy days she stays in here, and she's content, she's comfortable. Very seldomly does she try to get out or act like she wants out. So some days she just rests up here in her basking spot. Some days she hangs out in her little cubby hole back there, and like I said, most of the time she's going in and out daily. I like to get her out in natural sun. She does better when she gets a lot of sun. Well, they do better when they get a lot of natural sun. So anyway, like I said, I hadn't done a recap video on this thing. It's the little shutters. I just bought these from like Hobby Lobby or something, or Michael's, something to stick on here rather than try to build an actual shutter. Oh, and then it's got its little wallpaper. This thing is it's got a you can see the electronics, and then down there you can't really see it, but it's got a Wi-Fi switch, so the lights automatically come on and off, and self-sufficient. I don't have to really do anything, and plus it matches the cages over here. So that's this is my this is Apollo's cage. It's my little boa. And then down in here we got my little male Aki. Same type build. farmhouse style cabinet. But yeah, this was a fun project. This was one of the first ones I did. And I thought it wouldn't last her because I thought she would always want out. It wouldn't be big enough, but super content. Super content. So anyway, that's the farmhouse build.